Hotel number 3, Kadena Glamping Dive Resort on Muna Island is straight vibes for nature lovers and adventure seekers. This spot blends chill glamping energy with real island magic. For today, the price is $54, and yes, it can change based on other dates. Rooms come with air conditioning, TV, free Wi-Fi, and private bathrooms with showers. You also get 24-hour reception support for peace of mind. The location is super close to Kadena Cave Tour, only about 1.6 kilometers away, so perfect for explorers feeling hungry after diving or island hopping. Rumah Makan Minang Jaya Lam is nearby, and there are more food options around. Guests get free parking plus airport transfer with extra charge. Nearest airport is Bato Ambari Kota Baubau Airport, around 168 kilometers away, so plan travel time. If you want more info or want to book for the lowest rates, check the video description for the link. Share your thoughts in the comments and like this video. Hotel number 2, Calista Beach Hotel in Baruta comes through with calm coastal vibes and a chill budget-friendly stay. Price for today is $25 and can change based on other dates, so this spot is kind of a steal if you're trying to travel smart. Located only 120 meters from Kamali Beach, this place is clutch for beach lovers who want to wake up and touch sand quick. Rooms come with air conditioning, TV, and a private shower, so you stay comfy without overpaying. Free Wi-Fi keeps you locked in for work, socials, or trip planning. Want to explore a bit further? The Bhutan Sultanate Palace Fortress sits only 3.3 kilometers away for a mini history adventure. Plus, the airport sits around 6.4 kilometers away, making arrivals and departures smooth. If you want more info or want to book with the lowest rates, check the video description for the link. Share your thoughts in the comments and like this video. Hotel number 1, Zenith Premier Hotel Baubau Baruta. If you want that budget travel win, this spot is a vibe for only $34 today. Price may change on other dates. The hotel serves chill city energy with easy access to Wolio culture spots, Pantai Kapoa and Pantai Nirwana. With 106 AC rooms, flat-screen TVs, free Wi-Fi, rainfall showers, slippers, and daily housekeeping, it is giving comfort without destroying your wallet. There is an outdoor pool for relaxation, plus a restaurant, coffee shop, and room service. Free parking, airport shuttle for a fee, and laundry services keep the stay smooth. Perfect for travelers who want value, convenience, and low-key luxury around Baubau. For more info or to book with the lowest rate, check the link in the description. Share your thoughts in the comments and like this video.
Are you tired of spending hours searching for the best flight deals? Well, fret no more. Introducing benxavier.com, your ultimate flight search system powered by artificial intelligence. With benxavier.com, you can sit back and relax as our AI technology scours thousands of airlines and flight booking systems to find you the absolute cheapest flights out there. You can find the link in the video description or just type www.benxavier.com in your browser.